folks, so today in this discussion, we'll discuss few of the navigation tool. So what exactly I mean about the navigation tool is, let me just quickly get into Tableau and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm going to talk about few of the information reflecting here, and I will show you what is it all about. So we'll explore this for today. Alright folks, so the first thing which I'm going to show you is, in Tableau you will see the first thing here is the column and the rows. Okay, so how will that impact? So suppose for an example, these are my team names, and if I put everything in row section, all the names will for the team will reflect in row. You can see like this. And if I interchange and put it in column, they will be all representing in columns. So this is how you can just decide whether you want to put the field either in row or in column. Okay, so let's drop it into row for now. Okay, so the next one is, let's discuss about this. So this is an undo option. Suppose you did something by mistaken, and if you click on this, it will revert to the last action that you have done. Okay, and if you just click on this, that's a redo, so that will reflect to, and again what you did, so the same thing will be reflecting. So this is an undo and this is redo. The next option will be this one. This will actually help you to save. Since I'm using Tableau public at the moment, so it will save there. So if I just click there, so I need to sign in, and then you can save yours, and whatever you are doing, your presentation, you can save it there. Okay, regarding this we will talk. Okay, so another slide will talk about this one. So for now I'm skipping this particular section because this is a very important one and I want to make a separate tutorial out of it. So this one I'll skip for now. The next one will be, it will create a worksheets. Now what exactly you mean by worksheets? So like in Excel you have worksheets, right? And the entire thing is called the workbook. So like for example here you have sheet 1. So if I click on this, it will open sheet 2 for you. Okay, what about this one? This will duplicate. Suppose I have this one, so if I click this, another option will be created, so duplicate of this one will be created. So if I just click on this and just click this one, so duplicate of sheet 1 will be created. You can see it here. Okay, the next one, if I do this, it will automatically reverse it to column, and if I click on this, it will again reverse it to row. So this will actually interchange the positions. So like this it will move to column, and like this it will move to row. This one, let me just draw, put something, for example I'll put home win and put it here. So now you can see that all the numbers not are in chronological order. They are not in any order. They are just random. So for example, if I click on this, you can see these are all now arranged in ascending order. Okay, so from lowest till highest. If I click on this, now these are in descending order from highest till lowest. Okay, so the next one will be, I'll discuss about this particular one. So for example, it's related to view. Okay, so the view option is for, you can see as of now it's in standard view. It's a fit method. If you want to show it in enter view and click on this, you can see it has created a lot of space here. So let me just click here so you can see it here. Okay, so you can try each options. So that will fit the height, it will fit the width. So it's pretty simple. So you can just play around with this one. Okay, so the next one will be, it has a lot of options here. So we'll discuss each options while working with Tableau. So as of now, let's not dig into it because each options I'll just make separate tutorials for each of them. So this will be covered. Okay, so the next one, if you just click, this is a presentation mode. So if you do in PowerPoint, you have a presentation mode. Similarly, if you just click on this, that's a presentation mode. That's entire screen will be presented and you can show your presentations. Okay, now the next one will be this show me options. For example, I have just let me just put one of the, okay, so home, then I'll put it in column. So if I just put it in column, it will take the shape as a bar chart. You can see that, right? So if I just click on show me options, it will help me, it will recommend some of the chart which we can use it. Now we will go each of this chart one by one, but for now I'm just showing you how it looks. For example, if I click on this one, how does it look? You can see it's very small, right? So let me just a bit larger so you can see it like this. Okay, so each of them will have their own, like for example, Violet FC home wins is 12, Wonderland. So the best thing would be if you just put home wins and put it on level, you can see the numbers. Okay, and of course if you can put the team name also on levels, so it will show you the numbers. Okay, so it's very interesting. So anyway, we'll discuss each and everything one by one, so not to worry about it. So let's close it. Okay, so another thing which I want to show you is here you can see this is a filter option. Another one is also the filter option, so you can choose your filter over here. I don't want to get into all this in detail because as we will cover each of them in separate module one by one. So for now, I'm just trying to give you an idea how the page looks like so that you will have an idea what are the functions for each of them. So these are now related to your design part. You can say the font, the alignment, everything. So as of now, since it's a pie chart, so it is written pie over here. If you want, you can change it to a circle and you can see the chart automatically changed. Okay, so we will talk about everything in detail. Another option which I want to show you is this is the data option, the data field. Another field is the analytics field. Okay, that we will discuss later on in the tutorial. So now another thing is I want to show you here. You can see this title, the sheet name. It's written 1 by 2. If you want, you can just put your team names here. For example, let me just put it. Team names. Okay, if I just click on apply and okay, you can see that this is all about the team name. So if I just remove this, and if you want, you can just change it to different font or style, whichever you want. So let's make it bold, underline, and make it in a different color. Let's give it this color and let's make the size at 36 and click on OK. So you can see this is changed. Okay, so like this you can make a lot of nice visualization with your work, and if you just click on this, it looks like this. So I hope by now you guys have already find interest in learning Tableau with this colorful presentation, right? So let's stay tuned for the next tutorial where we'll discuss one of the very important aspect about the measure and the dimensions. So stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you.